Hello Zarventure odor passion friends. Okay, on this occasion I want to spill some bags first. There's the Zero series, the Nozzle series, and also the Revo series. These are sling bag models that you can also use as waist bags, yes. Now first I want to spill the Revo bag from Zarventure. The design is nice, a sling model but boxy and also already waterproof. Zero and Revo are both waterproof. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Zarventure. Turn on the notification bell and share it with your friends so they also know about our product review videos from Zarventure. Well, this Revo bag from Zarventure, like I said earlier, the bag is already waterproof. This Revo bag isn't just for a sling or waist bag. You can also use it as a clutch bag. It uses BMO material with a thickness of 1000. So the material is thick and waterproof, and the zippers use YKK water resistant zippers. I've already set it up in sling mode. The connection between the strap and the bag is double stitched. We'll zoom in later so you can see the bar tack or double stitching details. You can adjust the strap. It uses a nylon webbing strap, so it's super strong, durable, and won't break easily. The class is the same. BMO material. Let's open the front part here. It's fully BMO material, so everything is covered. There are 2 pockets on the front here. If you want to carry a phone, maybe it fits, but only a small sized phone. But usually, when I use this, guys, you can use it for what? Cigarettes, a lighter, or maybe small items, motorcycle keys. You can use it in the front section here. Because at Zarventure, it's like this, guys. We sell quality. At Zarventure, we sell quality. So this bag doesn't cost much, but for the material, buckle, stitching, and zippers, it remains #1. Let's check the main compartment. Directly the main part, guys. The back part is just plain. Now the inside looks like this. The interior is lined with nylon torn material on the front and back. The sides and bottom are also fully foam lined. And this bottom part, I almost forgot, there is an adjustable webbing strap here. You can use this for a tripod or other items at the bottom here, these 2. And on the inside, there's a hook for your motorcycle keys or a house keys. So if you're hanging out with this bag, it's safer to keep your keys in here. And inside, there's another compartment with a zipper, see? So the bag is simple, but it has plenty of space and pockets inside. There's also a mesh pocket in other compartments, maybe for your cigarettes, lighter, wallet, and so on. This bag is great for hanging out. So you can use this bag for hanging out or even for work. For those looking for a waterproof bag. Well, this is it, guys. It's sturdy. I like that it's sturdy so it doesn't go limp. Because the advantage of Venture is, guys, the bags are sturdy and always maintain top tier quality. I'm wearing it as a sling bag now. This is how it looks, guys. So if you like a sling bag with a boxy shape, just go for the Revo series, okay? But if you want it as a clutch, the strap is detachable. Each purchase comes with 2 straps. You can also use it as a clutch, like this. It looks cooler. It looks great for weddings too. It's even better for formal events when worn as a clutch. For guys and girls who like this bag, go grab it now. I'll provide the purchase link below. You can check it out. Because there are still so many other bags we can show you guys. There's Zero, Nozzle, Oris, Dover, Kratos, and Klaus. With Zarventure, you'll be confused about which one to pick because there are just so many. Let's try pouring water on it to test if it's waterproof, as I mentioned earlier. Now let's take a look at another one. There's another waterproof bag, the Zero series. I brought some water here. Let's pour it on the bag later. Let's test its water resistance. So this is the Zero bag from Zarventure. Now this Zero bag is also one of the top sellers at Zarventure. Every time it's restocked, it only lasts 2 days, guys. It's often sold out, so don't miss out, friends, on this Zero bag, yes, from Zarventure. It also uses BMO and Laken material. It's a BMO mixed with Laken, guys. It's smoother, thicker, and fully covered. The zippers are secure. The webbing is also adjustable. You can adjust it. It uses nylon webbing and acetal buckles, so it won't break easily. The strap and the bag are double stitch, or what we call bar tack. For those who don't know, what is a bar tack? A bar tack is double stitching or reinforced stitching. Why any? It's extra strong. If it gets tugged around, it won't break. Now, let's look at the logo here. It has an embroidered logo and a rubber one like this, already sewn off. This series is also embroidered. The zipper is the same as before, because we prioritize quality. Remember, guys, the YKK zipper is lined with Lantoran material. Orange color just like this. It looks great. The main compartment is also lined with this Lantoran material. The inner seams are double piped, making them neater and more durable. Even though it's small, the space extends from left to right. So the interior is spacious, and there's another compartment inside. Maybe for private items like a men's wallet or important cards. And at the back, there's another compartment lined with Lantoran material. This Lantoran material won't easily fade or tear, even if you crumble or pinch it like this. There you go, guys. The back panel, sides, and bottom are all padded with foam. This is the advantage of a Zarventure bag. It's different from other brands. Looks nice, right? Let's try using it as a waist bag. You can wear it in 2 modes, guys, because the bag is water resistant, bro. So if you carry this out, it's safer. Just adjust the waist strap all up like this. Yeah, cool. Or you can use it as a sling bag or waist bag or waist bag. Even the details are great. That's what I love about Zarventure, guys. If it hangs like this, it looks messy, right? But if you slide the rubber loop here, it looks much neater. That's why quality and neatness are #1 at Zarventure. Like this. Looks cool for hanging out or traveling. The Zero bag. Okay, one more. There is the nozzle series bag. We've already shown you the Zero. Now the nozzle series. The nozzle uses a mix of materials, guys. Only the front side is waterproof, but the back uses Cordura material, so only one side is waterproof. The advantage of Cordura material, firstly, is that it's very durable. It's perfect for long-term use. So if you guys are looking for a bag that's durable, or maybe doesn't fade easily, you can check out this Serenzel. This also looks great as a waist bag, or maybe a sling bag. The webbing is also made of nylon, and it uses acetal buckles. There's elastic between the strap and the bag. It's double stitched with bar tacks on the sides, and there's padding on the waist part too. It has 3 compartments with YKK zippers. 1, 2, 3. So this is what it looks like. Now this front part has 1 compartment as mentioned. The second one also has dividers, guys. Since nowadays, you know, a lot of bags have many compartments for cards. This bag also features slots for ATM cards or maybe small items you can put in the front here. And the main section has 2 spaces as well. Also for small things, maybe carrying what, you know. Yeah, we can just use this bag for those slots. The stitching is the same as the others, double piped, so it's more durable. It doesn't unravel easily. The stitching doesn't run continuously. It's double piped like this earlier. Now this one is cool too. This is also one of the bags that is a bestseller too. But you guys can just choose based on your preference. Choose the Revo, Zero, or Serenzel series. But remember, there are still many other sling bag series available. I'll include the purchase link down below. Now this is the nozzle series. Nozzle from Zarventure. This look is cool, but this is more suitable for those who usually use it as a waist bag. Let's just use it as a waist bag right away. We'll adjust it to my waist size. This isn't just for mountain climbing, guys. This can be for casual use too, for those who like to hang out. Going to a concert or maybe a Saturday night out, you can wear this bag. It looks great. Cool. Okay, regarding this bag, guys, you guys can just choose and let us know in the comments which one you prefer, or if you want to check out other bags. Now, I want to test its waterproof capability for the Revo series. Sorry, the Revo and Zero series. If it's this nozzle bag, only the front part is waterproof. And I'd like to remind you guys, don't forget to follow our marketplace and social media. There's Instagram, TikTok, Shopee, Lazada, and others you can follow because there are so many items you must see and own, like chest bags, thigh bags, waist bags, and jackets. Well, who knows? Maybe someone wants the Salvix I'm wearing, guys. You can stop by our marketplace for the jacket or hat. Okay, let's just pour some water on the Revo bag and the Zero bag to test their waterproof resistance. All right, friends, let's try it out and pour water on the Zero series bag. See, this bag is already waterproof. So no need to worry if you're hanging out and get caught in the rain or splash. Now here's the Revo series, guys. We'll pour water on this one too. So that was the Revo bag, which can be used as a clutch or a boxy sling bag made with waterproof BMO material. So, this is the Revo. Okay, friends, we've already poured water on the Zero bag and the Revo bag, so the bags are definitely waterproof. Don't forget to follow Zarventure, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and also share and comment. Thanks to those who watch from start to finish, and if you want to make a payment or check out, I'll provide the link below. You can check it out yourselves. Okay, thank you friends for watching our video. This time, waist bags and chest bags from Zarventure. Stay tuned for the next review. Bismillah.